Do you feel like you somehow are living hell on earth with what's happened in your life? I felt that way too, even though I'm trying to do my best here. Well, let me show you some of the things that I've discovered just in the last 6 months that have answered, over 55 years of questions for me on what is going on. So first, you need to clear energies out. There are demons, this present darkness, there's demons out there, and there's dark energies, and there are things that are really trying to take you out because you're a bright, bright light. You're made in God's image, and you are amazing and a powerful creator for love. That's why people are coming at you. That's why these things have happened. It could also be in your DNA, things that you inherited from your parents. There are multiple things going on. So I'm going to give you 3 books, all right? 1 I wrote, 2 I discovered just in the last 6 months. So first, Your Keys to Heaven. See this? By Gary Spivey. You can order this on his website. He also has tons of free videos. Just go onto YouTube and get a feel for it. You can also go on his lives on Saturday nights. You sign up from his website, GarySpivey.com, and your life will be transformed. He shows you how to get into the heaven on earth dimension. And on Saturday nights, he picks people, all right? He has a fee, too. If you want to talk to him individually, personally, on the phone or by face thing, it's $1,500 an hour. You can get it for free on Saturday nights. You can buy the book for $20 or something, all right? So that's first. You got to clear out the dark energies in order to start creating your heaven on earth. So all this manifestation stuff we learned about, well, guess what? You got to clear out the dark energies. And that book right there is #1 key. Next, Kevin Trudeau, Your Wish is Your Command. Once you've cleared out the dark energies, then you can apply this, okay? Kevin Trudeau. He also has a website and a YouTube channel. You can just binge watch his videos and you can catch on to so much. You can also get his book. All right, incredible. This is a course. This is coursework right here. You want to transform your life in every sector, all right, whether that's money, relationships, peace of mind, health, mental health, emotional health, right here. Most of it I already knew because I've been doing this stuff for a long time because I'm a life coach. And lastly, a practical book called Tame Your Wild Child. This is good for you yourself to learn about how your brain works and how you've been responding to your environment. And it's going to help you interact with other people, okay? Especially if you don't get along with other people and you find them challenging. It's not just for children. It works for adults who are kind of stuck in the child phase too. So Tame Your Wild Child by Monique Prince, available on Amazon. All right, those are the 3 books. You get these 3 books, your life is going to be transformed. If you get onto Gary Spivey's lives and look at his YouTube videos, your life is going to be transformed. Gary Spivey and Kevin Trudeau are world famous healers and prophets. They're cutting edge. They're on the leading edge. If you love like Abraham Hicks and Joe Dispenza and all these folks who would do the manifestation stuff, this makes it all clear. Okay, it puts it into practical instructions for you, and it clears out the darkness so the light can come in. And once the light comes in, everything gets cleared out and stuff just starts to flow in. Oh my gosh, I love you guys. Monique Prince, life coach. Ask any questions, okay? I'll answer questions. I always respond to everybody who leaves a comment, even if it's like a private message thing or even comments in the videos. And share this, okay? Forward it to everybody in your contacts so that they can have this information. Every human being on the planet needs to have this information so they can live to their most best, wonderful potential and create heaven on earth, here and now. All right, for anyone who has a Christian background, you can read Revelations 21 and Psalm 86:4, okay? It's so exciting. Oh my gosh. All right, Monique Prince, life coach, you got this. I love you.